When we walked into this house for the first time, it felt like home, but because the house came full of 20 years of the content of someone else's life, some of the decor didn't work for us in our lifestyle, which the previous owners assumed might be the case, and they gave us their blessing to part with anything as we saw fit.
Hello, I'm Amy, this is Cody, and my friend Grace is joining me today because we're going to give my living room a makeover. So this is a photo of what the room looked like before when we first moved in and the house was fully furnished.
Last week on this channel, Grace and I went shopping and made DIY pillows out of thrift store finds. Swapped out some furniture for more seating from Marketplace finds, so today we're pulling it all together.
That, which I think is cool, and that, which I also love. I think they worked with the old furniture, but they don't really work with the new furniture. So I'm going to put those in the hallway on the wall, unless you want that one. You want that one?
I don't know, I think we should paint it.
I don't know if we're going to have space for it.
Oh yeah, after you put all your stuff on your wall.
Yeah,
No.
we'll put that on the back burner as a possible project. So
Anywhere else?
might work out in that room
Yeah.
actually, but we'll see.
Did the paint fade because of a picture?
Yes.
Is that...
Yep, it's dark where the picture was. Okay.
Did you want the lamp in that corner?
Yes, that'd be great.
I'll bring it.
Do you think that that's okay? There.
Let me see.
Alrighty, what do we want to put on that wall? These are white, so we want the white over there. I got this at TJ Maxx for $40, which I felt like was pretty good.
That's pretty good.
I try to not buy things full price. That's why I was like, I need Grace's help. I don't know.
Okay, let me look at this.
You want me to hold it for you?
Oh, this is lighter than I was thinking.
Okay, so we'll put the white up here. And right now it doesn't have any art in it, but it will. Oh, I think I want to move it to the left. Thinking of painting my wedding bouquet. Yeah, let's try that. That might be perfect. What do you think? I think I like that. I don't know if I would put it up higher. So you know how they say it needs to be eye level?
Yes.
I think I want to go higher though. Is that
I think you should go higher.
how much? Why don't you come back and eyeball it? I think. Ooh, I love that.
Do you want it centered on the couch? Right on the couch?
That's what I would do.
So, I would do it on the couch. You have it where you want it. Do what? I don't know.
Yeah, I think I do. Let's move this chair and see if we like it there.
That'd be nice.
Because I guess I just don't know what I would put there in its stead. Okay, so angle it this way?
Well, I don't know now that we have that. I don't know if you should just go straight on
Yeah, maybe straight on.
because of that. And then,
That looks good.
I think that's
Because
cute.
then they could use
You
this.
can still use that as a coffee spot.
So they could look at them.
Yes, and then you can have your cute little...
We're not gonna throw you back out, are we? I'm really worried.
No, I just went to the chiropractor and he fixed my shoulder too.
I'm gonna put these from at home, which is cheaper than I can find on Amazon. Okay, so you know my blue chair?
Yes.
It doesn't have the pokey backs, but it could put blanket over it.
Yes, you have all those accents.
Okay, I'll be back. Yeah. I wonder if it's the right scale though. It has the backing.
I think that will be a good accent.
It ties it in with the gray.
It does. Oh,
You
yeah.
can see all the stains.
And
I
it
really
has-
need the purple.
I like that.
And without the, I think the thing, without the sides,
Yes.
it works better. So I got this from Amazon, and to me it was a splurge around $30. But I couldn't get small for this room. I needed bigger size, so maybe it'll fit in the frame we got.
Oh. I got this picture in here like Fort Knox.
Oh no. So I found that the cheapest place to get the art is from Wyco Art on Amazon.
I'm gonna get those flyers.
So it's a
Can
club.
you hand me those?
Let's see. I'm gonna hold it up. You tell me what you think.
No,
It's fine.
Okay.
See, I am the queen of losing things.
Okay.
How tall? We'll find out. Yeah. You have some dedication there.
Determined now.
So if you know us personally and you're in the area, Grace is available for interior sign?
Yes.
Okay. Hopefully that's
Oh.
not gonna work. I think we'll do it without the hook thing. Okay. You get it?
Yay.
So then does that mean I need to raise this one up?
Oh, no.
Where would you
Try
put
that on
this
there.
one?
Try it on there, and then I would.
Like here? So right here is where we would put it.
I think so. Even a little lower.
Here?
Yeah.
So I think I do want to lower it as much as I can without seeing the hole.
Yeah, I think so. To the 8 inches, it'll cover that. Oh, there is.
Well, that's okay.
Oh. Back to this.
I need to glue this on, but this was mine growing up as a
Oh,
kid.
was it? Second step. If we find something behind here.
I'll split it with you.
Thanks. Yeah, I'll take them off then.
So then I don't really want that above it because that
No,
would be a
it's
little
much.
too busy.
Too much padding.
So let's put that above there.
Mhm.
So we are resorting to hot glue this canvas into this frame just to make it work. I think it'll be good. Yeah. Let's see. So this I think I'll have to go look up and put on the screen how much this cost, but I thought it was the best price for the rug. And if you watched this video, you saw that I used similar material to reupholster a chair. So that's basically the same idea I'm going for with my son's storage cube he's letting me use.
It looks really pretty.
Ooh.
Good job. Glamorous.
Woohoo! So I got the lid done.
Nice.
Let's see. Lots of texture. That's fun. I'm gonna put it over here. Stay tuned for part 3, which will feature yet another DIY decor project, as well as the grand reveal. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe below, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single thing. See you in the next video.